In this video, we will take you through the steps of unpacking and assembling your Cantorum stand. To open the packaging, we recommend you use a box cutter. You want to cut through the tape very lightly and carefully to prevent scratching the wood underneath. Inside, you will find a smaller box and a stand ready for assembly. Let's continue unpacking. As you can see, the stand consists of the legs and the crosspiece. Unpacking the box, you will find a plastic container of connectors, an expression shoe, and a sustain pedal. Inside the plastic container, we have 4 screws, 4 knobs, and 4 washers. The knobs and the washers are used to connect your keyboard to the stand, so we don't need them for now. Now that everything's unpacked, let's start assembling your stand. First, lay down the right leg piece. Take the cross piece and place it on the L-shaped mounting bracket. The holes on the cross piece should align with the holes in the bracket. Insert the screws and use a screwdriver to secure them. Next, stand the 2 pieces up. Take the left leg piece and align it with the other side of the cross piece. Place it on the mounting bracket and secure the screws. And there you have it. The stand is set up and ready to go.